Welcome to Mystery Curtain, where we don't just unbox gadgets, we uncover their hidden potential. Today, we'll dive deep into the features of the latest tech. The Lenovo Legion Pro 34WD, also known in China as the Savior Pro 34, is one of the most eye-catching gaming monitors to arrive in recent years. Not only because of its futuristic design and OLED panel but also because of its surprisingly competitive price point of just $700. At 34 inches, with a resolution of 3440 by 1440 and an ultra-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate, this curved OLED display brings the kind of immersion and performance that feels tailor-made for racing simulators, fast-paced shooters, and cinematic content, while offering a level of build quality and aesthetic flair that makes it stand out in any setup. Out of the box, the Legion Pro 34WD includes everything a gamer could need to get started: a power cable, a DisplayPort 1.4 cable, an HDMI 2.1 cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, rated at 10 gigabits per second, a USB-B to USB-A cable for peripherals, and of course, the beautifully engineered stand with its hexagonal base that doubles as a phone or tablet holder. Thanks to a clever transparent tray insert, the design of the monitor itself feels like something straight out of a sci-fi film. With a black and white color scheme, sharp mechanical accents, and a bottom LED light strip that casts a soft glow onto the desk, giving any gaming station an instant pro look. A standout feature is the presence sensor beneath the panel, which automatically shuts off the screen after 5 minutes of inactivity, not only conserving energy but also adding an extra layer of security. Around the back, the monitor is equally striking, with a bold Legion logo on the white panel, hexagonal ventilation grills that resemble the fuselage of a futuristic aircraft, and a sturdy, adjustable stand that supports tilt, height, and swivel adjustments with ergonomic precision. The build quality is solid enough that using a third-party arm feels unnecessary, as the included base is both beautiful and functional. Connectivity is one of the strongest points of this monitor. Alongside two HDMI 2.1 ports and a DisplayPort, the monitor offers multiple USB connections, including Type A, Type B, and Type-C, as well as an RJ45 LAN port for stable wired networking. The standout here is the Type-C port, capable of 140W power delivery, which allows users to charge a laptop like a MacBook directly from the monitor, while transmitting video and data, eliminating the need for a separate charger and cutting down cable clutter. The panel itself is a 34-inch 800R curved OLED using Lenovo's PureSight technology, delivering 4K resolution at a blistering 240 Hz with a 0.03 milliseconds response time, HDR True Black 400 certification, 10-bit color depth, and a contrast ratio of 1500:0001 combined to create visuals that are vivid, rich, and deeply immersive. Adaptive lighting automatically adjusts brightness and color tones based on ambient light to reduce eye strain, while the matte anti-glare coating ensures clarity even in bright environments. Color accuracy is impressive, with factory claims of 99% sRGB and 98.5% DCI-P3 coverage. Independent testing confirms strong performance, with 100% sRGB, 88% Adobe RGB, and 96% DCI-P3 coverage, along with an average delta E of 2.98, which is accurate enough for most content creation needs, though not on the level of professional-grade graphic design monitors. Brightness peaks at around 344 nits, with consistent grayscale performance and stable color temperatures around 630 OK, ensuring natural-looking tones without unwanted blue or yellow tinting. Gaming on the Legion Pro 34WD is where it truly shines. In titles like Forza Horizon 5, the 240 Hz refresh rate and 800R curve work in tandem to deliver breathtakingly smooth motion. and a field of view that wraps around your peripheral vision for maximum immersion. Motion clarity is razor sharp, with no visible ghosting, tearing, or stuttering. Even during high-speed racing sequences. Watching 4K videos or streaming content on platforms like YouTube also feels transformative. With inky OLED blacks, vibrant highlights, and cinematic depth that rivals a theater-like experience. The built-in 10W stereo speakers tuned by Waves Max Audio are a welcome addition, delivering surprisingly powerful sound with solid bass, clean mids, and clear highs, making the monitor an all-in-one entertainment hub. Without the need for external speakers, though audiophiles may still prefer dedicated headphones or a sound system. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Pro 34WD is a masterclass in combining futuristic design, top-tier gaming performance, and remarkable value. At just $700, it undercuts much of the competition in the 34-inch OLED gaming monitor category, while offering features such as 140W USB-C charging, HDR True Black certification, adaptive lighting, and a beautifully engineered stand. While its color accuracy falls short of professional studio monitors, and its brightness caps out below the most premium OLEDs, for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts, this is an unbeatable package. The Legion Pro 34WD proves that high-end gaming immersion doesn't have to come with a sky-high price tag, making it one of the most exciting monitors available today.